Upgrading to a new iPhone is exciting, but the thought of losing all your precious messages, not so much. Luckily, transferring them is easier than you think, so let's jump right in. First things first, grab your old iPhone and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. Then head into the Settings app, which looks like a set of gears. At the very top of the Settings menu, you will see your Apple ID banner. It has your name on it. Tap on that. Now select iCloud. In the iCloud settings, scroll down to Find and select iCloud Backup. Make sure iCloud Backup is turned on. Tap on Backup now and let your old iPhone create a recent backup to iCloud. This may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and the amount of data on your phone. While your old iPhone is backing up, grab your new iPhone and turn it on. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the Apps and Data screen. On the Apps and Data screen, select Restore from iCloud Backup. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID, so enter the same Apple ID and password you used on your old iPhone. Choose the most recent backup you just created from your old iPhone. Your new iPhone will now begin restoring your data, including all your messages. Once the restore process is complete, open the Messages app on your new iPhone. You should see all of your previous conversations and attachments right where you left them. Congratulations, your messages are now safely transferred.